Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa nguyena owethule inkulumo kulomcimbi. Umemezele izinguquko ezimbalwa uhulumeni ahlela ukuzenza ukuze lenkantolo yomthethosisekelo izimele.
Money will be made available, and of course to the extent that we are able to mobilize the resources as we grow the economy, the judiciary will have the money and they will be in control.
Uvumile ukuthi izethembiso ezenziwa ilenkantolo mhlazane isungulwa azisahambisani nempilo abantu abaningi bakuleli abayiphilayo njengamanje.
The reality we must confront is that there are significant challenges to constitutionalism today. There is a disconnect between the promise of our constitution and the lived realities of South Africans.
Inhloko yamajaji uMandisa Maya uthi zikhona izinhlelo abanazo zokuqinisekisa ukuthi inkantolo yomthethosisekelo iyazimela.
As the President pointed out, there is already a joint committee in place and we are working on the modalities of carrying this forward.
Lo mcimbi ubuhanjelwe abameli bathi kuningi asebekufundile ngokusebenza kwalenkantolo.
And one of the lessons for the court for me is it has done great work under testing circumstances, but I think the past 30 years should have been lessons about our faith, our interest, our commitment to what this constitution was about.
Remember that the biggest promise of constitutionalism was to end racialized inequality or racial capitalism, right? But every statistics that you read these days shows that we have bigger inequality.
Ziphawule kanje izakhamuzi zakuleli ngesikhathi zibuzwa ukuthi isho ukuthini inkantolo yomthethosisekelo kuzo.
Based on crime enzeka South Africa, abona abantu bakhuselekileyo eSouth Africa ngabantu abenza icrime, meaning abenza abophula umthetho ngaphandle apha ekhaleni bakhuselekile because baba namalungelo amaninzi than lo muntu ulahlekelwa zizinto, meaning lo muntu umoshweyo. And then constitutional court still na umthetho wayo based on kubantu abanemali, not ucinezela aba bantu bahluphekayo, meaning mna